This video will demonstrate how to use the character tracks in ADR Master to precisely add and edit ADR Cue visual events. Before adding ADR cues, characters should ideally first be defined in the Character Tracks section, which is shown by clicking on the arrow key to the left of the Visual Events label on the Visual Events track. To add a new character, click on the Add New Character Track button to the right of the Visual Events label on the Visual Events track, or select Add Character Track from the Track menu. To add a character name to the newly created character track, click on the Character Name field and type a new character name. To add additional character information such as the actor name, ADR prefix code, and color of the track, click the gearbox icon to the right of the Character Name field. The Edit Character Settings window will appear. To add the actor's name, click on the Actor field and enter the actor's name. To choose a prefix to uniquely number the ADR cues for this character, enter it in the prefix field. To set a color for the character track, click on the Color field and choose a new color in the color pop-up that appears. The character name can also be added or edited using the Character field. Once done, click on the Confirm button at the bottom of the window. Continue this process for all desired characters until each character has their own designated character track defined. Character tracks can be manually arranged in any desired order by clicking on a lane and dragging it up or down to a new position. Character tracks can also be sorted automatically by going to the Track menu and selecting Sort Character Tracks. In the Sort Character Tracks window that appears, select which ADR Cue property to sort the tracks by, using the Sort By field, and then selecting either ascending or descending in the Order field. To delete one or more character tracks, highlight them by clicking on them in their track headers using the standard Apple Select modifiers, and then either by right-clicking one of them or going to the Track menu, select Delete Selected Character Tracks. Roughly locate to the area in the timeline where a new ADR cue is to be added.
Hello?
Holding the Control key, click and drag on the specific character track in the Visual Event track to scrub the timeline audio to find the exact endpoint of a line. To define an outpoint, while holding down the Shift and Control keys, click somewhere towards the end of the line to scrub the timeline audio to find the exact outpoint. To create an ADR cue with a selection, press A, or click the plus button located to the right of the gearbox button on the desired character track. The text field will automatically be selected in the Properties tab to start entering text into. The in and out points of an existing ADR cue can be adjusted by moving the pointer to the relevant edge so that the trim icon appears, and clicking and dragging to a new point. To scrub trim the in or out point, hold down the Control key while trimming, which will scrub the timeline audio. Multiple ADR cues can be selected by highlighting a selection over them in the Visual Events track or Character Tracks, or by clicking the first event and then holding the Shift key to select the end event in a range. One or more ADR cues can be moved in the timeline by selecting them and moving the pointer below halfway in one of the selected ADR cues until the hand symbol displays, and then clicking and dragging it along the timeline to a new position. To move multiple selected ADR cues simultaneously by an exact numeric amount, select Modify Selected Events from the Event menu, click the lock icon, and enter an offset amount in either or both of the inPoint or the outPoint fields. To duplicate one or more selected ADR cues, hold down the Option key while dragging them to a new position in the Visual Events track or Character Tracks. Or with the desired ADR cues highlighted, either select Duplicate Current Events from the Event menu or use the Global Apple Duplicate shortcut, Command-D. Two or more selected ADR cues can be merged by choosing Merge Selected Events from the Event menu or by using the shortcut, Option-Command-M. The text fields from all selected ADR cues are automatically joined together in the order they appear, into one resultant cue. A selected ADR cue can be split by selecting and scrubbing it in a character track to find the split point and then pressing the B key, or choosing Split Current Event at Playhead from the Event menu. The Split Text window will appear, where the corresponding split point in the text can be chosen by clicking in the window at the desired point in the text, or using the Split Text Nudge hotkeys to move the cursor. Click the Split button once done, or simply hit the Return key. ADR cues can be deleted by selecting them and pressing the Delete key. Changing the character of one or more ADR cues can be done by clicking on the selected ADR cues, holding the Control key to lock the horizontal timeline position, and dragging them to the desired character track. Additional ADR cue properties can be added or edited either individually from the Properties tab or the DAW control window, or simultaneously from the event list. Additional ADR cue properties include the following fields. Pressing the Q, N, E, or T keys in the event list will quickly enter edit mode for cue number, notes, engineering notes, and text respectively of the currently selected ADR cue. That's it for this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. For more video tutorials, detailed information on this topic, or troubleshooting, please check the in-app manual or the knowledge base on our website.